Welcome back to another episode of RC Hampton. This is a unboxing video of my new RC car. I just ordered yesterday and it's arrived today. Also we have some bits for the X-Max. I've pre-cut the box already and pre-cut the bag as well. I'm getting out first of the small package this double-sided ESC tape, 3 packs of those. Nothing in the bag. Last thing, if you can see, dusty motors. This is for the shocks for the X-Max. It's a shock sleeve. I have to cut it to length. Now we get into the big box. As I said, I've already pre-cut this. Get the air package out. We will get you closer to this. I have ordered myself a Sprint 2 Sport Nissan GTR car. We have a look inside. It's nice body on it. See-through windows already. We have a look at the remote first. A standard HPI controller, that's good. We have spare bits here. We have batteries for the remote, more spare bits. Yep. This should be the charge plug. Yep. This is a battery. It's a nickel metal hydride battery. I know what's in that. I will get the car out. Just took it out from the packaging. Looks for the first impressions of the actual car. It looks really nice. I'll take the body clips off and show you inside of it. my first belt driven RC car. It has the standard 15 turn 5-bolt motor there. I will be upgrading that to a 3800 KUV Castle Creations short course truck motor and ESC unit, and I will be running a 3S LiPo battery in this. All of it looks really nice, done well. I'll put the body back on. It looks really nice. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment in the description below, and subscribe to RC Hampton. Bye for now.